Okay, the next one, use of negative keywords. I see a lot of accounts, they don't have negative keywords. To stop any wastage, you've got to set up your negative keyword list and use them properly on a very regular basis. It's not just a case of putting your list of keywords, negative keywords in your campaign and forget about it. What you need to do is to regularly go into your search query report and see which keywords triggered your ads, and if you find any irrelevant keywords in there, you pop them across in as negative keywords. And this is kind of like your weekly or monthly, I won't say monthly, but at least once a week you need to look in there. Again, it's dependent on how small or big the account is. If your account is very small, and what I mean by small is, let's say you're spending £10 a day, then it's fairly small compared to if you were spending £1,000 a day. You will have a lot more data in there. Then perhaps you may need to look at it on a very regular basis. The other mistake which I also see a lot of advertisers make is the default negative keyword match type is exact. So you don't want to do that, because it will only nag out that exact matched keyword. So you can either put in as a broad or phrase. I personally use phrase match because that gives me a fair amount of control over what keywords will trigger, or what search terms will trigger my ads or not.